Yes, would you believe this lipstick is $38? And this eyeshadow, it smells so good. So let's explore the rest of the box. Hi everyone, it's Cat Castle. Nice to see you again. And on today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing of as well as a makeup demonstration on the Chic Beauty Box. Yes, and as you all know, the Chic Beauty Box is a bi-monthly beauty box subscription for $34.99, and you get 5 to 6 full-size products. Yes. Or you can also do the one-time beauty box purchase for $39.99. As you can see, I already did half my face. That is because I wanted to do something different. I wanted to try it out. So while we're doing the makeup application, I get to tell you my experience about the product. So without further ado, let's open this box. Yes, and here she is. And of course, it actually has the card. And in here, it actually shows you some of the products that you got because we only get 5 products. So, the first product is the Too Faced Mini Eyeshadow Palette that retails for $27. Without further ado, let's recreate this eye look on this side. Yes, and as I was saying before, I'm not going to fast forward it just so you get to really see how I really do it and how doable this is. And this is she, yes! And it actually smells really good. So without further ado, let's begin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start with the first color, which is this light lilac color. And then we're going to apply that right on our eyelids. So you just press it in, and it's like a really nice light lilac color. And it's almost like you're doing like a little mountain right there. I mean, look at that. And then we're gonna proceed to a bigger brush, and we're still using the same color, which is this. And then what we're gonna do is that we're gonna do that right on the crease. So that's going to be our first base. And then after that, what we're gonna do now is we're going to apply the melon color, and we're going to apply that right on the upper crease. And you're just going to use your blending brush, just going to go back and forth. See, so if you even want like a simple look for every day, that's pretty good. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go back to the small brush and use the same color, which is this. And then we're going to apply that right on the bottom lash line. And you can actually go generous or thicker on your application. Look at that. Because that will basically serve as the first base once we build up. Oh my God, by the way, I'm so sorry. This is the problem during the weekend. We actually have all these motorists that I cannot control. But you know what? That's the reality of living in this city. So it's so stressful, but I'm actually so close to work, and that's the reason why I chose to live here. But you know what? We're gonna do our very best to basically achieve this look. There you go. So after that, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna proceed with this shiny color. And then what we're gonna do though is we're gonna spray our fingers with water. And then you're gonna dip it there. And then after that, you're gonna press it in right on the eyelids. I love this, especially with any glitter that has like a little bit of like some chunkiness on it. It's better if you actually spray it with water, so you're not gonna have much of a fallout. Look at that. So even if you want like a wearable daytime smoky eye, I mean, that's pretty good on its own. And then what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna do our liner. We're gonna use this brush, and then we're gonna use the darker color, which is this baby right here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start doing an angle on the side. And then you just lift it up. And then after that, you basically just apply it or do a diagonal line towards the middle of your lash line. I mean, this is optional because some people, they actually don't want to apply an eyeliner. But for those people who don't really use an eyeliner, one great way for you to play with eyeliners is actually using a powder shadow. And this brush that I'm actually using is Wet n Wild, and I actually got this at CVS for $2.09. It's amazing. But look at that. And this one is not even wet, but you can see how pigmented this is. Look how pretty she is! And then after that, we're now going to do this crease color. So we're gonna do this burnt orange right here. And we're using the same brush as the first one that we did. And then we're gonna do it right on the crease. So you're just going to do like a mini rainbow all the way down. Look at that. It's actually great that you can actually combine both the shiny color, the cool tones as well as the warm tones. See how pretty? And then after that, if you want to just mix both the lighter lilac as well as the lighter melon, and then do that again right on the upper crease. So you can see that this is actually very doable. Again, I did not want to fast forward it just so you can see how easy you can actually achieve that. And then we're now going back right on the bottom lash line. We're going to go back to the burnt orange, and you're going to use the taller part of this little brush. And then after that, you're just going to fill in your lower lash line right on top of the first color that we did. And then after that, we're going to use the same darker color that we applied right on top. And then we're gonna smudge that as well, right in the bottom lash line. In that way, they all marry together, like what you have on top. And you just basically do little dashes. And you just make things easier. See? And then if you want to make, of course, the upper part darker, just get more of this again. And then just trace it up. And then just go back and forth. Look at that. It just makes things easier. See? Look at that. And then if you want to add further darkness, then you actually just tap it. So you're not going to have that demarcation. See? And then after that, we're going to use again the lighter lilac. And we're going to apply that right on the inner bottom corner of the eye. And then if you want this darkness like what I have in here, I actually just used an eyeliner. It's actually an eyeliner that's not on this box, but just so you get to see the effect of the waterline. So this is the black liner. And then you're just going to line that right on the inner bottom of the eye towards the inside. See, look at that. And then you can also apply it, of course, right on the upper waterline. And same thing, you just do like little dashes. And there you go, to achieve that eye. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm just gonna put some false eyelashes. Let me just put some of my complexion, like my foundation, as well as my bronzer, contour, and blush. And then after that, I'll show you the other products that we got in here. Okay, I'll be back. And I'm back. We just finished our complexion, as well as some contour and highlight. And now let me show you the next product. Actually, before that, the blush that I actually used, believe it or not, is the eyeshadow that we got in here, the peachy color. So I'm gonna use that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna smile and just gonna apply it right on the apple of the cheek, meeting the contour and the highlight. Look at that. I mean, I really love that. So it doesn't necessarily mean that just because it's an eyeshadow that you cannot use it as a blush. So look at that. I mean, an innovative way of doing makeup, right? So now the next product is the Maybelline Lasting Fix Loose Setting Powder. Yes, I actually love this. As you all know, I did the other side a while ago. And the good thing about this one is that it's very lightweight. And where's my setting sponge? And look at that. It actually doesn't have any weight on it at all. I mean, it's super, super fine. This one actually retails for $9.99. But you know what? Compared to my other high-end brands, this is amazing. And then you can also use this to set your concealer as well as the rest of the face. And you know what? I can actually use this one as well. Let's say, for example, during the day, you don't want to use a typical powder that has color. It's just good to like tone down the shine. And really, I'm actually quite glad that I actually got this. So that's the second product, yes! So the next product here in this Chic Beauty box is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour. Yes, and the Huda Beauty Lip Contour retails for $19. Yes! And let me show you. And here, this is she. And this actually is made in Germany. And now let's put it on. So let's put it first and bottom. And then we're gonna put it on top. And here you go, look at that. It's actually really bright. But you know what? Thank goodness that we actually did both a cool and a warm tone on our eyes, just so that we can really maximize everything. And the next one here is the Rodan Oleo Lucio Luxury Lipstick. And guess what? This, I think, is like the most expensive item here in this box. And this one retails for $38. I mean, I cannot afford a $38 lipstick. And this one is made in Canada. Yes. So let's put it on. Look at that. It's like a really nice, bright fuchsia color. Look at that. And we're just gonna work it with the red lip liner. And it's very creamy. Look at that! Yes! Oh my gosh! It's been a while since I actually wore lipstick this bright. But just so you get to really see all the products that we got in here. But it actually feels really good. And believe it or not, it actually kind of goes well with the with the red lip liner. And the next product is, or the final product that we have in here is the Milani Moisture Lock Grapeseed Oil Infused Lip Treatment. Yes! So this one I haven't tried yet, so we're gonna open it right now. And we're going to put it right on top of our lipstick. Yes! I mean, usually I love this beauty box because it really gives you like a good combination of makeup. Especially this batch right now. I'm quite happy because pretty much I can use everything. So here we go! Oh my gosh, what an applicator, that's so big. And let's try it on right here. Oh, wow. It almost has kind of like a balmy feel. Not sure if you can see that. But let's actually try it on the lips, why not? Oh my gosh, this is very interesting applicator. Let's put it on. And it really smells good. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! There you go. So those are the products that we got. By the way, this actually retails for $10. So now let's do a recap of everything that we got in this box. Yes. So we actually got the Too Faced eyeshadow palette that retails for $27. And then we also got the Huda Beauty lip liner that retails for $19. And then we got the Maybelline setting powder that retails for $9.99. We got the Milani lip oil for $10. And we got the Rodan lipstick for $38. So the value of everything is $103.99. And I actually got the box for $34.99. So if you actually ask me, I'm actually quite happy with everything that I've got because this time finally I can use everything. And if you ask me what my favorites are in here that I'm definitely going to use all the time, I definitely love the eyeshadow. I definitely love the setting powder. And I actually will use the lip oil as well. I mean, even the lipstick and lip liner is really good. It's just that it's a color that I'm not used to wearing, but it's actually really pretty. And there, so that's the reason why I love these beauty boxes, because especially the Chic beauty box, because usually out of 5 items, you get 4 high-end and you usually get like 1 or 2 low ends, but majority of it is high end. So what do you think of this beauty box? And also, if you have the Chic beauty box, what products that you get in your box as well? Please let me know in the comment section below. And again, my name is Alicat Castle, and if you enjoyed this video, hope that you can give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, please consider subscribing as well. And again, always remember that you are beautiful with or without makeup, and that's true. And I'll see you soon. I love you. Bye.